Hey guys, welcome to yet another sales masterclass. My name is Sharat Sharma. Super excited to be back with you guys. I hope you have seen my last sales masterclass. Well, I've got some amazing feedback for that. If you have missed it, please go back and watch it. There are some golden nuggets that I've shared with you, and if you can apply those nuggets in your business, you can scale your business to the next level. Well, in today's masterclass, I'm going to share with you a very intense topic. I'm going to talk about, is your business leaking money? And if it is leaking money, is it sales that's making it happen? Is your sales department making you lose more money? Well, if you want to understand this a little more, and if you think that you're losing money just because of your sales team, then you got to watch out. You got to watch this video until the end and identify the ways that you are losing money in your business. You're not losing money, you're leaking money. That's what I say. Well, to understand how your business is leaking money, let's understand what are the things that sales professionals must be doing and what are the things that they don't do because of which you're leaking money. So to explain this, again, I'm going to jump back behind the board and I'm going to explain using an analogy. So watch out. Hey guys, so I'm back here and today I'm going to share something very interesting with you. But before I start off, I want you to first pull out that notepad and make notes. Don't let these masterclass go just over your head, and don't overload yourself with too much of an information. What you really need is stick to one methodology, stick to one way of learning, and use this learning in everyday sales scenarios, right? So pull out a notepad and a pen and start making notes, because I don't want you to lose out more money in your business. If you are losing out money, if you are leaking money, then you got to watch out. And I said this in my last masterclass. Sales is the only way your business is going to survive. Sales is the only way that your business is going to thrive. And if your sales team is losing money because of certain mistakes that they are doing, then you're not on the right path, right? So let me explain this using an analogy. Now, imagine that there is this bucket which is to be filled with all the money that you want on this planet, right? You have, you're doing everyday activities and you're doing everything possible. You're keeping yourself busy. In fact, every time you talk to your team, they say, I've been busy. But when you look at the output here, there is nothing. There's no money coming in. What could be the reason? At the bottom, it's all shallow. What could be the reason? The reason could be your business is actually leaking money because there are certain holes in your bucket. There could be several holes, and if you let these holes be open, if you let the water leak from the bucket, there will obviously be no water in it. Isn't that true? Right? Similarly, if you let the sales leads that are coming in, if you let them flow out in some or the other way, by doing certain mistakes, then you are going to lose out. You're not going to make money here, right? So I hope you're trying to understand this analogy, and I hope you're trying to understand this could be one of the reasons. Like, you're doing everything, but there are certain mistakes that you really need to fix. There are small nuts which you need to tighten. So what are these nuts? Number one, first and foremost, in sales, you're depending on only one source of leads. You're depending only on one source of lead. Disaster. You're heading towards disaster. One or two is like a disaster recipe in sales, right? So what do? You get one source of leads, and then you do certain other mistakes. But if you're doing one source of leads, then you're going to lose out money. Because someday, just imagine what happened due to this uncertainty that we are facing currently. What has happened with most of the businesses? They were relying on one source of generating leads. It could be hoardings, it could be just newspaper advertisements, and all of that disappeared, and now they are suffering. They never utilized multiple ways of generating leads. So this is one hole you got to fix. You got to have at least 5 or more ways of generating leads, right? Now the second hole that you need to fix is your follow-up. Now it's important for you to generate leads from 5 or more but it's also important for you to follow up. Imagine you have, let's say you fix this hole and you have 5 ways of generating leads and you have enough leads in your entire system. However, you're not following up enough. You're not, doing everything possible to close the deal. You're going to lose out. Isn't that true? So you've got to have a very strong follow-up system so that you see money at the end. The next thing that you really need to fix, I love this one, you're not upselling. And this is where the money is leaking, guys. You have a customer who is happy. You have got 5 sources of leads, you have followed up enough, you've sold it to this person. Now you're not doing the upsell to this person. You have a satisfied customer, somebody who's pulled out money and given to you. He has done that for you. What are you waiting for? You got to upsell. You got to upsell it to, upsell another product to this customer. Don't say I don't have many products. You've got to have multiple products, or you need to have JVs, joint ventures, and you got to upsell. If you're not upselling, you're going to lose out a lot of money. You're going to leak money out of your business. What is the other thing? Now, another thing which is very important is to engage. Why should you engage? Now you might say engage and follow up is the same. No, you are engaged because these are the people who are going to refer you to more business, right? If you have generated leads from enough sources, if you have followed up enough, if you have closed the deal, if you have upsold them, if you engage with them enough, they are going to give you more referral. Now imagine for a moment don't imagine, this is the reality in fact. Think about it for a moment. If you get a referral, is that easier to close? Or if you generate new leads from new random sources, that's easier to close. Any day, a referral is easy to close, right? So if you're not doing the referral part well, if you're not engaging with your customer and asking them for a referral, you're losing out money, you're leaking money from your business. Last but not the least, my dear friends, is your sales cycle. You have a sales cycle. You don't have a sales cycle. Number one, if you have a sales cycle, you're not sticking to it. You're not following the entire process to the T. Well, a lot of sales professionals think that, I can wing it. I can manipulate some numbers, right? I can just let go of tracking these numbers. You're losing out money because if you're not calculating money, if you don't know where the leads are coming in, where are they going, how are they transitioning into sale, and if you're not keeping a track of it, if you're not managing that entire sales cycle well, you are leaking money from your business. There are many other reasons, guys, but these are the top 5 reasons why you're leaking money from your business, especially your sales team is contributing towards it. I know there could be other reasons like operations not doing well, there's no good follow-up mechanism in your distribution channel and all that. There could be many other reasons, but these are the top 5 reasons that I feel that you got to fix it today, right? There could be many, like I said. If you have another reason why you think you're losing money in your business or leaking money in your business, I want you to comment right under this video and share it with more people, right? So I hope you found this video to be useful. I'm going to see you on the other side. Signing off for now. See you on the other side. Well, I hope you have identified the ways you are leaking money in your business. And if you have identified it, I want you to comment under this video as to what were the reasons why you were leaking money. I've shared 5 of them, but there could be many other ways you are leaking money in your business. So right under this video, I want you to write it down and tell me what are the ways you are losing money or leaking money in your business. Until my next sales masterclass, I want you to stay happy, do awesome things, sell more and help more people. Signing off for now. My name is Sharat Sharma. See you in another video.